Welcome to Petrosoft's Step-by-Step Setup Series. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to get started with logging into the Retail360 Mobile app, connecting to the Direct Connect box, and deploying Petrosoft Edge. Let's start with Retail360, Petrosoft's powerful back-office app that puts your entire store in the palm of your hand. Head to the App Store or Google Play and search for Retail360 by Petrosoft. If you bought a smart POS system, you can also scan the QR code in your Quick Start Guide to download it directly. Step 2. Create your account. Open the app, swipe left to sign up, and enter your basic info: name, email, phone, and a secure password. Then swipe up to register. Next, check your email inbox and tap the link to activate your account. Now, log into the app using your new credentials. If two-factor authentication is turned on, you'll be prompted for a one-time code. Retail360 runs on smartphones, tablets, and supported handhelds like the CipherLab RS51, which comes preloaded with the app if purchased from Petrosoft. Once you're in, the app helps you check inventory live, order and receive products, print shelf tags, manage price book updates, compare sales performance across locations. Next up is your Direct Connect box or DC box, a small but powerful device that upgrades your POS system, enabling secure real-time communication with Petrosoft's cloud-based tools. Think of the DC box as your secure digital courier, automatically moving sales, pricing, and inventory data between your POS and Petrosoft tools like CS Store Office and Petrosoft Edge. No need for a back-office PC. In this video, we'll be using the DC420 model. Please note, older models like the DC101, DC301, and DC501 have reached end of life and are no longer supported. Here's how to activate your DC box using the Retail360 Mobile app. Open the app and go to Feed. Tap Activate a new device. Select your store location. Scan the QR code on your DC box. Swipe up to connect. Connect to Wi-Fi when prompted. Wait for the green Device Activated message. Final step: confirm in the customer portal. Once activation is complete, log into the Petrosoft customer portal and check that your DC box appears in the devices list. This ensures it's fully connected to your account. Great! Retail360 is set up and your DC box is online. Now it's time to bring it all together with Petrosoft Edge. Here's how to get started with your Petrosoft Edge subscription inside Retail360. Open the Retail360 app and swipe over to the dashboard. Scroll down to see the Product and Services section. Tap Get next to any Petrosoft product listed. That will open a product page. Scroll down and tap the link for Petrosoft Edge. You'll be redirected to your browser to view pricing options. You can choose between an annual commitment or a month-to-month plan, depending on what works best for your business. Tap Buy Now, enter your preferred payment method, and that's it. With Petrosoft Edge fully deployed, you now have a powerful integrated system that puts real-time business management right at your fingertips. Need more help? Visit petrosoftinc.com/support or contact our team anytime.